Zippo tricks. I finally bought the Zippo. It's a very clean one. Yo, what the fuck? Alright, the first one I need to press it like this and flick it open like this and then smash it like that. Whoa. That went way more easier than I expected it to go. But now I need to do it fast, so. Let's try again. Oh. Fuck. Eee. That went, I would say that went fine. Oh, the second one is the... God damn. Sometimes it will pop. Sometimes that will happen. Ooh. That was a nice one. And then perfect. Nice, that was the best one. Ooh. The next one is a little bit the same like the first one, but right now I need to hold it like this in the top part, in the top parts, and push it with my middle finger into my palm, and then it should like... This one, I don't like this one. The feeling of it at all. Just pushing inwards into your skin like very fucking hard. And still won't pop. Like it's not a nice fucking hold. Fuck this one.